Hello there. This is a video today about how I care for my nails and my cuticles with oils and creams. So I'm going to show you today how I do that. Got a few products here to show you. I've got Cien SolarOil. This is the best oil out there, I think. It's got a mixture of sweet almonds in there, sweet almond oil. It's also got jojoba, and that is 15ml bottle. You can get bigger bottles. I've got a really big 68ml bottle I bought on Amazon, really cheap, because it's a lot cheaper to buy the really big bottles than have, keep buying the little ones. But I have the little bottle by my bed, so I apply that every night to my cuticles. And the other product I've got today is by Cien. It's a hand cream with chamomile, and that's also excellent, especially at bedtime. You can put that on and you can have sweet dreams. So, right, just going to show you now what I do. So, I've got a little brush in here. So what I do is I get a little bit in the brush, and then first of all I put the oil in between the nail and the finger and the skin. Can't remember what it's called, the high selenium or something. So put plenty in there, dab it all in the back. This oil lasts ages and ages. You don't need loads in there, so just dab it in the back. And then what I also do is do the front, so put a little bit of oil on each of the little cuticles there. And then what I do then is give that a good rub. And rub it really good into the cuticle. To each one. Nourishes them, hydrates them. That's all nicely rubbed in. So yeah, that's that done. So the cream, like I say, hand cream. I don't use any particular hand cream. I don't think there's anyone that's anything special. I like to use lots of different products. I like to try things new. I haven't got any problem with any hand creams. I've had tons in the past. So yeah, pick up this one. This one's good. Like I say, it's got chamomile in there. And it hasn't got palm oil, which is really good. Always try to look for products that haven't got any palm oil in there. It's also got helianthus, yeah, anise. That's lovely as well. Got a lovely smell. So like I say, put that on at night. So put a little bit on. Don't need loads. It always goes far. So get a little spot like that. Hang on, if I get the camera. And then transfer that on there, only a little bit. So rub that all on there. Rub it on there, top of the fingers. Also get the wrists as well. Sides in between. Get the thumbnail as well, and the thumb. And nicely moisturised in all the right places, just like you would be when you're washing your hands these days. Make sure you get everywhere. palms, knuckles. Yep, so that's all lovely and moisturised now. Everything's all moisturised, so then leave that do its work overnight. Like I say, I leave these products with me by the bed, so always make sure I use them. Yep, always sort of try and buy my products on Amazon, really. Best place to go, especially with this one, the Cien. Yeah, like I say, Cien, that's a little one. So yeah, now I've got sticky fingers, I've got to try and turn the camera off. Doesn't matter, it's an old camera, I need a new one anyway, so that's it. That's how I moisturise, condition my cuticles. Keeps my nails growing nice and long. Well, hopefully that's a good tutorial for you. Try and put some more links at the end of this video as well for more care, nail care, and sort of diet and sort of health and things. Put a few links at the end, so hopefully see you all again next time. Thank you very much. Bye bye.